Hi everyone. In today's video, we're giving you a short preview of the RMA module of Wismatix QMS. RMA, or Return Merchandise Authorization, is a process that helps companies manage returns and replacements. When a product is faulty, customers request an RMA, and the company assigns a unique tracking number to monitor the process. Let's get started in the Wismatix QMS demo by creating a new RMA record. For the purpose of this video, we'll imagine we're a company that produces and repairs hydraulic valves, among other types of equipment. First, we're entering the RMA number, our unique identifier for this return. Next, we set the priority level. How urgent is this RMA? Then, we choose the next action date. This is the expected time for when the repair should be completed or when the replacement should be shipped once a decision is made. Let's add the details about the customer and the product. This includes the product name, the serial number, and the batch number, along with additional notes about this RMA case. In the next step, we explain the issue with the product, in our case, the hydraulic valves. We can attach additional photos and files to provide a better visual understanding of the defects and damages, which is also useful for communication with the customer. We've now successfully created a new open RMA case. Each section is editable, so we can update any details as needed. Plus, now we have new fields for additional information regarding the process. Let's add a note about the work being done on the product to keep our colleagues up to date on its status. We now fast forward into the future and have concluded that all work is done and we can ship the product to our customer. After filling out remaining details about the order, we can head over to the main section of our RMA report. With all details added and the issue resolved, we're closing the RMA case. At any stage of the process, we can generate a PDF report using the data entered so far to review and ensure all relevant points have been included. We hope this gave you a general idea of what Wismatix QMS and our RMA module can do. To learn more about all the features and benefits our system has to offer, check out our website, wismatix.com. We're here to help your business run smoother and smarter.